Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are going to be discussing the tick volume indicator. Alright, so whether you are familiar with this indicator or not, you might want to stay tuned till the end of this video because you're going to find this indicator interesting. Okay. So I'm just going to be adding the indicator to the chart right away. It is a custom indicator, meaning you will have to download it from an external source, after which you will need to add it to your indicators library for your MT4 terminal. After you have done that, then you will be able to add the indicator to your chart. Okay, so here we go, the tick volume indicator. Now this indicator is quite easy to use. All right, the indicator highlights the volume activity of a currency pair. Okay, by doing that, it provides critical insights for making informed decisions. So as we can see on the chart, the indicator displays wave-like bars, right, in vibrant colors, wave-like histogram bars in the indicator window. Okay, as you can see, we have red bars, we have golden colored bars, we have green bars, we have blue bars, all in the indicator window. Okay, so these visual cues are essential for identifying the strength of market activity. All right, now volume helps determine the momentum behind price movements. And that is one of the reasons why such indicators like this come in handy, because with volume indicators like the tick volume indicator, you can easily identify shifts from low to high volume, giving you a clear signal to go long or short. Now let us just briefly look at the settings of this indicator. If there is any necessary thing, okay, there is no necessary thing for us to modify. We can just use the default settings the way it is. Now, how do you make use of this indicator? How do you identify good trading opportunities using this indicator? As you would observe, when the indicator is in the positive territory, now the positive territory is the territory above zero. You can see there is a midpoint, the zero line, right? When the indicator is above the zero line, we have only two colors, which are the blue and the green. All right. And when the indicator is below the zero territory or the zero line, we have only two colors, which are the golden color and the red color. So when the indicator is in the positive territory and you have the blue histogram bars forming, it indicates an increase in volume, right? It indicates increased activity, increase in price activity. All right, as you will notice, whenever we have the blue line, the blue histogram bars forming, you will notice that during that period we have increasing volumes, or we have increasing momentum rather. You will notice that during that period we have increasing buying momentum, whenever we have the blue bars forming. Then when the green bars begin to form, the buying pressure loses steam. Okay, when the green bars begin to form, the buying pressure loses steam. So basically that is how to use this indicator to identify the momentum in the market. And knowing the momentum in the market gives you insight as to what direction you should enter a trade in. So given this example, when you have the blue histogram bars forming, it's a cue for you to enter a buy trade. All right, because you want to trade in the direction of the prevailing momentum. So when you enter a buy trade, an ideal place to set your stop loss would be just below the swing low. And then for your take profit, you can either decide to use resistance levels All right, for example, resistant levels like this or higher resistant levels depending on your risk to reward ratio. Okay, once you have identified good resistant points, you can either decide to use those for your take profit levels, or you can decide to wait for the green bars to form. When you have at least two green bars form, you can decide to exit your buy trade. Then when you have the indicator flip to the negative territory, it shows that we are possibly having a bearish reversal. Whenever you have the green bars forming, it could just be a pullback. It could just be a mere pullback, a corrective move in a bullish trend. Okay? As in these cases, they were just corrective moves in a bullish trend. But when the indicator flips to negative territory, it shows a bearish reversal, no longer a pullback. Okay? Now, in this case, when you have the golden bars form, it shows an increase in bearish momentum. So the golden bars could be your signal to enter a sell trade. All right. When you enter a sell trade, you can exit at near support levels. All right. Or you can decide to wait for the red bars to form. When you have at least one or two red bars, you can use that to exit your sell, because the red bars indicate that the bearish move is losing steam. So when the red bars form, it could be just a pullback, as we can see here. The golden bars indicate bearish momentum, while the red bars shows that the bearish momentum is getting weak, as we can see. Here again, you will notice that when the golden bars were forming, we had an increase in bearish momentum, and when the red bars were forming, it shows that the bearish momentum was losing steam. So the golden bars give you a sell signal, and then the red bars give you a signal to exit your sell trade, unless if you want to trade against the trend. If you want to trade against the trend, then you can use the red bars to quickly scalp a buy move, a buy corrective move in a bearish trend. Okay, if you are a scalper, you can decide to trade against the trend, just catch a quick price move via the pullbacks, all right, both for the bearish trend and the bullish trend. Now, just a quick recap. The tick volume indicator shows us momentum in the market. All right. When you have the tick volume indicator in the positive territory, you will find blue histogram bars giving you a buy signal showing increase in buy momentum, and the green histogram bars showing that the buy momentum is losing steam. When the indicator flips to the negative territory, it shows a bearish trend. All right. And then the golden bars show an increase in bearish momentum, while the red bars show that the bearish momentum is losing steam. Okay, so that is it for this indicator. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights, and do not forget to hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on more trading videos like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching and happy trading.